Hello everyone, here we are with our 21st exercise named valid triangles. This exercise asks to write a program that would check if three given angles can be angles of a triangle. The sum of the three angles, if it is 180 degrees, then they could be triangles, the angles of a triangle. Otherwise they cannot be. So we need to output as an answer yes or no with a capitalized word, uppercase. We have t test cases, and in each test case we read different ABC which represent the angles of the triangle. T, A, B, C. Read the number of test cases, we write the for cycle that iterates t times plus, and read A, B, C, and we say if A plus B plus C is equal to 180, see out yes, new line, using the special character and otherwise no, and new line. That's all about this exercise. We are going to submit it, and it's there, submit, waiting for response from the server. And yeah, that's correct. We came to the end of another video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming videos. See you soon on Code Purpose.